Good day! This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we have here the D30 Y78 Smartwatch. Okay, as you can see here, so it runs the Fit Pro Support App. Okay, very affordable wearable. Okay, and it is running the Fit Pro Support App. Okay, somewhat it is an upgrade of the Y68. Remember the Y68 D20 smartband or smartwatch? So this is the upgrade, the new version for 2022. Okay, so we'll have an unboxing of this wearable. So if you are interested in getting this one, and of course you have some questions before buying this wearable, so just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, color options for this one, I think it's black, silver, pink color, and white. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken. So here for the features, we have heart rate. We also have a blood pressure, step monitoring, incoming call, WeChat, QQ, Twitter, Facebook, alarm clock, photo control, sedentary reminder, and mileage. Very simple packaging. Okay, so let's check whether it is worth, this one is worth buying or not. I think this one priced $4 to $6 depending on the shopping site. Okay, so the price is around $4 to $6. So the contents, okay, we have the user manual. Okay, we have here the QR code, very small user manual. Anyways, most of the time you don't need this. This one is very easy to use. We have the strap, sport strap. Okay, flexible strap here with metal locks or fastener. Okay, and we have the smartwatch. Okay, based on the design here, we have a flat frame, metal frame here. So this one, we have a direct USB charging, similar to the Y68 D20, as well as the D20 Macaron smartwatch. If we do have the time, we'll have a comparison of this one to the Macaron smartwatch. So flat frame, still a touch button key. Okay, there's a way to it. Okay, and at the back we have a sensor here, the sensor. Okay, it says, yeah, it's life waterproof. Okay, we'll see. Okay, so let's have a measurement of this. Okay, so here for the width, okay, it is around, okay, 32 millimeter here. Okay, and the other one here for the length, we have at least 39. Okay, so 39, 32 by 39 for the thickness. Okay, we have at least 9 here. Okay, not including the sensor, but if we include the sensor here, it is around 11. Okay, it's a bit thick. Okay, so let's attach the strap, but before that, okay, let's measure the weight. Is it a lighter smartwatch? Okay, so let's check. 0.00, so around 20.43 or 21 grams for this one. 20.50 grams maybe. Okay, so maybe 20.50 or 21 grams. give or take. Okay, so with the strap, let's see. Okay, very easy to attach. Okay, it's now around 32.65, okay, or 60, yes, 65 grams. Okay, 32 or 36 grams only. Still a lightweight wearable compared to other versions. Okay, so this one, it looks much more elegant, unlike the previous version that it looks so cheap because of the plastic, okay, body. And of course it is not well designed compared to this one. This one is a, okay, flat frame, much more elegant, okay, but still an affordable wearable. Okay, okay, so let's have a closer look at the design here. Okay, flat frame, metal frame. Okay, let's try to wear this and see whether it's comfortable or a good fit. Okay, let's see. The strap is a little bit hard. Okay, so we have it here. Okay, the D30 Y78 Smartwatch. Okay, so let's check on the specifications of this one. Okay, let's have first the display. Let's see if there's a battery left. Seems like there's no battery left here. Okay, but anyway, you can check the specifications here. 1.44 inch 240 by 240 OLED screen display, 256 MB, okay, Bluetooth 4.0, available in black, pink, and white color, IP67 waterproof rating with 180 mAh battery with 10 days of standby time, 5 to 7 days of normal usage. Okay, and it is using the Fit Pro, okay, support app. Okay, so this is your D30Y78. Watch out for our next video. We are going to show you the menus, okay, of this wearable. Okay, so that's it. So if you want to ask some questions, just drop a comment below. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.